What do you do if a test taker is silent a large part of the time?
Well, silence is going to be a problem for a speaking test. We need the test taker to speak in order to be able to rate them. Now, we can allow a certain amount of silence. Let's say, for example, that the test taker is just quiet on half of the test items. Or maybe they say, I don't know, to half of the test items. We can probably deal with that and assign a score. Now, obviously, their content scores are going to be quite low. They couldn't answer half the questions. So in content, they're going to be penalized. For pronunciation and fluency, if we have a sufficient rateable sample of language from the test taker, then we can assign scores on pronunciation and fluency. And it may not affect their manner of speaking scores too highly. Now, if they're quiet on more than half of the test, it begins to become an issue of, well, have we really got enough of a language sample from this test taker to get a proper fix on their manner of speaking, on their pronunciation and fluency? And at a certain point, at a certain threshold, the system will say, we haven't got enough data on this test taker, therefore we're not going to attempt to score it. And again, that will go on the score report, and it will say, there's too much silence here. We can't give a good grade to this test taker. So to answer the question, a lot of silence will start to penalize the test taker up to an extent. Beyond a certain threshold, we won't score it.